Hey guys, what's up? It's Lester and welcome back to EcomVids. Hope everyone's doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a really easy and inexpensive way on how to do beauty tutorials in your home. Let's go ahead and start off with lighting. I definitely recommend ring lights just because the way that they are designed, they are specifically made to alleviate all the shadows on your face. And they also have a nice added benefit. It illuminates your eyes as well, so you kind of get that starstruck feel and that look as well when you're recording your videos. These are really good and inexpensive. There are a lot of different ring lights that range from different prices, but honestly, you don't really need an expensive one to really get the most out of your videos. When it comes down to filming and what you're filming with, and it's 2020 and really don't need a nice fancy camera. A lot of YouTubers or even vloggers that you see on a lot of social medias are really just using their phone or some sort of entry-level camera. You don't really need to shoot 4K footage. 1080 HD is really just all you need. It would definitely get clear image quality as long as you have good lighting. When it comes to the setting and where you're going to shoot your video, I mean, if you're doing this at home, anywhere in your house would really work. Your bedroom, your living room, and don't worry about how much space you have, just because at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what your surroundings look like. It's all about the content that you're producing and your own personality that you're sharing with your viewers. Other than that, that's all you guys need to know in terms of lighting, what to film with, and your physical setup. So thanks guys, hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you next time.